Hey family, welcome back. I hope you're doing well today. Whether you're watching from Kenya, Indonesia, or Ethiopia, I'm truly happy you're here. Thank you for taking time to stay informed. It shows your seriousness about the future. Today we are talking about the DV 2027 Diversity Visa Lottery because there has been a lot of confusion, questions, and even fear online. So let's take our time and go through what is true, what is not true, and what we should do next. First, the situation. Right now, the DV 2027 application period has been delayed. The US government has not yet opened the registration portal. So, nobody, and I mean nobody anywhere in the world can apply yet. If you're watching this from Uzbekistan, Malaysia, or Myanmar, you haven't missed anything. The situation is the same everywhere. The delay is happening because they are making updates to the DV entry system. Things like improving online security, reducing fraud, and making sure that each person only gets one entry. Second, the good news. For those of you tuning in from South Africa, Germany, Serbia, or Cambodia, please hear this clearly. The DV 2027 program is not cancelled. The only change is the opening date for submitting entries. Everything else is still on schedule. Now listen to this closely. The interview and visa processing period for those selected remains. That is from October 1, 2026 to September 30, 2027. So that has not changed. Third, what you should do now. From wherever you are, whether you are in Iraq, Nepal, Vietnam, or Netherlands, it doesn't matter where you are, as long as your country is eligible. This is the time you should be preparing your documents. Okay? Keep preparing. Preparation will make your process smoother when the time comes. If you're in Egypt, Kazakhstan, Australia, Japan, etc., remember this. Do not pay anyone claiming they can apply for you right now. They are either misinformed or they are trying to scam you. The system is not yet opened. And for the brothers and sisters in Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Turkey, Russia, Spain, and Bosnia, this delay is global, not regional. Now, let's talk about patience. I know the waiting can be frustrating. You've prepared your photos, documents, and some of you have prayed, fasted, and hoped for this moment. But patience is part of the journey. The door is not closed. It is simply not open yet. For those in Greece, Croatia, Canada, thank you for staying informed instead of relying on rumors. My brothers in Cameroon, my sisters in Sri Lanka, Somalia, Liberia, Peru, please remember that the DV program has had delays before and is still continued. This is not the first time. This is not the end. This is simply a pause. So, how do you stay from the scams? Only follow information from official sources. Okay, that is travel.state.gov, dvprogram.state.gov. The verified at travel.gov account on social media. If the info did not come from there, take a deep breath and ignore it. No embassy, no agent, no lawyer, no YouTuber, no one can open the portal early. Wherever you are listening from, remember this. Your dream is still alive. Your chances are still real. And this delay is not the end. It's just a small step in the process. When the new official date is announced, I will update you immediately. So stay hopeful, stay prayerful, stay informed, and stay encouraged. We are on this together.